Okay, so there is a new earbuds that was released by Cyrus. They are calling this new model the soundbuds 2. It's it's a really decent earbud from the looks of it. It even looks like an in-ear monitor, to be honest. Like really good. It's priced at $120. The build quality for this is not too bad. The buds on a single charge can give you 5 hours of playback time. It's can go up with the case to an additional 15 hours, which is not bad. It is IPX5 water resistant. Don't go submerging it underwater. It is not IPX7. It's not the best of the best, but it is what it is. The product for now is not yet on sale. It is obviously gonna come out in spring. That's in a few months from now. The battery, like I said, is not class leading or anything serious, but it is not bad. Regardless, if you're just down with an average battery life and a dynamic driver earphone, you should be happy with this. It's priced at $120, so it's not too cheap. That's what I mean cheap, like compared to other cheaper earbuds out there. Yes, certainly it's not on the level of the Apple AirPods and the other ones that triple earbuds that cost over $200, but I expect this to at least be decent overall, and we shall see. At least when people start getting their hands on it, uh, I will see whether it's a decent earbud overall. So it's gonna go on sale probably in 3 months from now, or 3 4 months from now. So just keep your eyes out for this brand. They could be big once they come out. So that is it. Please subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. For our social media, I'm going to see you guys next time.